Hi, today I'm going to be making a video of myself doing the Rubik's Cube. Recently my friend taught me how to do it and I've been practicing. I'm not really fast yet, so this video might be a little long, but for lack of anything better to do. So here it goes. See, it's all messed up. And no, I don't memorize how I mess it up. Okay, I mean, I'm not that smart. So, here it goes.
Hi, Sproutlets. You can find Barney and Friends and more of your favorite characters every day on the PBS Kids Sprout digital cable channel. Check your local discount.
Playhouse Disney's new series for your preschool.
Sorry, I'm not actually watching Playhouse Disney. I don't know what's going on with my TV.
And get ready to solve the mystery. It's a lot more fun when you come along. My friends Karenjuu on Disney Channel. Check the local listing to go to playhousedisney.com.
And now, PBS Kids Sprout on demand.
Alright, this is embarrassing. I swear I was not watching it. If you hear that in the background, it's Barney. Oh. Okay. With happy faces, pretend be a friend. And there you go. Completed Rubik's Cube. Yes. Okay.